He's VB and he lives in Perth, making super videos for all his work.
Have you ever wondered if your microwave oven is leaking radiation?
Hi, this is Woggy Flush and this is a video response to VB Ad.
VB Ad.
Mobile phone in the microwave.
If your microwave oven is leaking radiation. So you get your mobile phone and you put it in your microwave oven. Now you don't turn the fucking microwave oven on, okay? Because you'll fucking cook your phone, okay?
Oh, let's do it again.
Alright, so you put your phone in the oven. Then you get another phone and then you ring it, okay? And if you can hear it ringing from inside the microwave oven, you got a fucking leak. Okay, let's test it.
Nothing happens.
No, just as I thought. Let's just leave the door open, then ring it again.
Let's open the door. There is the little sucker. And
can you hear my phone?
thank you, Ed. It works.